Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today I got some rope twists, as you guys can clearly tell. They're nice and small and long. And I just decided to kind of do something different. And I probably do this like once every other year or every year. I probably do like one time a year, depending on, what I'm doing. So as you guys know, of course, I have a shortcut, so I did cut the hair off the sides and the back of my head, so all of my twists are at the top. Shout out to Orlando Rope Twists for doing my hair, because she has been the one that has done my rope twists since day one and always looks great. All right, so let's do some nighttime preparation for bed. So I've already taken my shower. I'm already nice and clean. But you guys know, I tell you this all the time, when you have any type of braids or crochets or anything of that nature, hair care is still very, very important. So I am actually going to apply some of our B7 serum to my scalp before I go to bed. And I'm going to show you guys how I would prepare or lay my hair down to actually go to bed. Some of you don't even do this, so you're going to see exactly how. So I'm going to use some B7 serum. Okay, this is a water-based serum. It can be somewhat gelatinous too, but in a very light way. Okay, now this is a water-based serum. So I'm just going to basically go through and just kind of drop it in the different parts of my hair and just kind of press it in. Okay, so this is the easy part. Okay, all of this is really easy. And honestly, if you make this a part of your nighttime regimen, you won't even have to think twice about this. And it feels so good on my scalp because I actually just got this done. So it's still slightly tender, but it's not super tight, right? I mean, of course it's gonna be tight enough because I just got it done, specifically for my birthday. And why not get something different for my birthday? I mean, I wear my hair all the time, so I like to do different things. And I am just like you guys. I like to change my styles up too. So this is definitely something that, you guys can do. I always say do things in moderation, right? This is so soothing to my scalp right now. So soothing to my scalp. And then it blends so well with my red in the front. I was actually very happy with my red in the front. All right, so I'm just gonna finish up around my hairline here. Okay, see you guys, I'm not like literally going drop for drop everywhere. I'm allowing the product to just kind of distribute itself throughout my hair. I didn't do this side over here, but let me go ahead. I only did like a small parting over here. So let me get this part too. Now, you can use the Goddess Hair Repair Serum at the same time. Well, not at the same time. You can use the Goddess Hair Repair Serum like today and then use your B7 serum tomorrow or your Super G serum. And just kind of rotate, based on whatever your hair needs are. All right, let me see here. And I'll just kind of let it just distribute itself because it's going to absorb really, really quickly. And then last but not least, it's going to be right here in the front. You guys see how I just let the pipette just kind of go across? And then I'm allowing it to absorb itself. Y'all see that gray? Oh my gosh. Okay, so, ooh, that feels great. All right, so while that's absorbing, don't forget, you guys, the $3.80 digital product sale, which is the digital sale for all of our ebooks, video guides, bundles, business building, all that good stuff. They are $3.80 and free shipping as well. Ends tomorrow, I guess, at 11:59 p.m. And then that rolls us into our buy one, get one free birthday sale where your girl's birthday is this weekend. So basically all of our Elite hair care products and our Crystal W products are buy one, get one free. you simply have to add a minimum of 2 items to your cart, and then the one of equal or lesser value will be marked down to free. But you have to have a minimum of 2 items in your cart for the sale to work, you guys. There's no code needed whatsoever. Also, all of our units, so our Corella unit, which is the newest one, our Goldie unit, all of those are tape-ins. All of them are 38% off. And all of our flat irons are gonna be 38% off starting Friday. So the BOGO sale, the 38% off, that's all starting Friday, June 21st. And then right now we have free shipping in the continental US, and all digital products are $3.80 until midnight, June 21st, okay? Okay, so now that I've given my hair time to absorb, if you guys can tell, it's absorbed, right? You don't see my hair like dripping of product. So 2 things that I'm gonna do. Number 1, you guys know that I hate bonnets, but how else am I gonna tie down these long braids? These braids are long, okay? I like my braids long, all right? But because I know that I'm going to be utilizing a bonnet, I'm still going to do my due diligence when it comes on to my hair in regards to the roots and all that good stuff. So I'm one of those people where I'm a firm believer prevention is better than cure. And I do not like to just put bonnets on just like that. Because I'm really not compressing and holding my braids down. And that all that's doing is allowing you to just get your braids to move around, manipulate your hairline, you know, the way you sleep. All of that stuff kind of goes hand in hand, you guys. So you definitely want to get you an Elite Hair Care scarf so that you can keep that hair nice and secure. And I know most of you don't like doing this unless you have like a lace front on. You guys will protect your lace fronts and your braids more than you will your own hair. Neither here nor there. It's okay. You guys know I will go there, right? So this number 1 is gonna protect my hair up here from moving around too much, okay? So I have my Elite Hair Care scarf on first. And then because I want to make sure that these stay nice and pretty, then I will take this god-awful bonnet that I do not like, but I had to get one because I needed one that was super long. And we're gonna go ahead and put my very long braids in there. So I'm just gonna roll them up for a second. I hate bonnets. For a purpose like this, it makes sense. But if you just wear a bonnet on a regular day, please tell me why. Why, oh why? Okay, so now I can let my bun go. Okay, you notice that my bonnet it's bonneting, but okay. By the way, you guys, don't forget that we just launched 3 new video guides. One was about transitioning from relaxer to natural and how to do so. One is about caring for color-treated hair. And then the other one is basically all about hair care for those who have breakage and shedding. So basically help my hair is breaking and shedding. That is gonna be the guide that is just gonna really just home in to help you get yourself out of that realm, because it's super easy to drop in there. But for the most part, that is how I put my hair up for the night to go to bed. I have it nice and secure, not too tight with my Elite Hair Care scarf. And then I put this thing on at the same time. But make sure you put your serum on first. Remember, the body rejuvenates itself as you sleep. So that is the perfect time to put your serums on. And then the next day, I would alternate and use your Goddess Hair Repair Serum. Now, of course, if you notice, I was not heavy-handed with my serum. I was nice and easy with it because that is super important. You don't want to use too much product. Like, the product is going to distribute itself. All you gotta do is just press it in and allow it to move itself around. And then just make sure you get your hairline. And then another reason why I always say use your Elite Hair Care scarf is because you want to not allow your hair to move around too much, especially at the root level. That is the easiest way to have breakage, especially in these places that are nice and taut, because you're just allowing your hair to do whatever it wants while you're sleeping. And every strand matters, because remember, that is a twig holding a branch. A twig holding a tree. The tree is the braids. The parting is like this big, but the braids are that long. So let's think about that. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video with some good tips and tricks on how to take care of your hair at night. And I'll see everybody tomorrow. Don't forget to go shop the sale. Peace. Good night.